I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me.
Hey, it is your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm bringing you this like really pretty glitter eyeliner glam Valentine's Day look, but your girl came to serve a look. And before we even hop into this video, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure, because you want to be a part of the winning team and be a real MVP. Period. And also make sure that you are following me on my social medias. I'll have them all linked down below. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any videos you would like me to do. And I know you guys are tired of me rambling, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So as you can see, I'm coming on here with my brows done and my eyelids primed, and like I've been doing them like my most recent videos, but I'll make sure to link all the products down below that I am using so you guys know what I am using for my brows and my eyes. But yeah, so first I'm about to be taking the Jackie Aina palette, and y'all, this packaging is so freaking pretty. Like, y'all can't really see it on camera, but it got like this shift to it from like purple to green. I mean, well, yeah, it's like purple, blue to green, so it's like super pretty. But anyways, this is what she looks like, and as you can see, I have done a little bit of damage, a little bit. But first, I'm about to be going into this shade right here called Credit, and this shade is such a pretty like rich dark brown, and it actually shows up a lot darker than it does in the pan, which might be like a turn off for some people, but for me, I don't really mind it. But yeah. So now I'm about to just go in and mix the shades Ginger and Pinker, and I'm about to take these and blend out this shade Credit. So lastly, I'm about to go into this shade right here called Supreme. Go ahead and cut my crease using my Plouise Base in Rumor 0. So I'm about to go into the Billi Boutique palette just for this shade right here called Pony. I'm just about to go into my Carnival palette just for one shade, which is this shade right here called Pillow Talk, and it's like this like nude almost white color. So now I'm about to go in with the NYX vinyl liner, and I'm about to just do a line, but I'm not going to take it all the way out because I will be applying glitter on top of it. And the glitters I'm be going in with, well, two of them are from Etsy and one is by this Instagram company called Flutteredbyro. So these two are from Etsy, and it's just like a hunter green type of color and then like a dark like forest green. And then I'm going in with this like lime green from Flutteredbyro. And if I can find the Etsy shop that I bought these from, I'll make sure to link it down below. But if you follow me on Instagram, then I'll probably tag the page or something like that. But I'll link my Instagram down below also. So to move on to the face makeup, and then I'm gonna come back to the eyes when I do like my lashes and my lower lash line. But for primer, I'm about to be taking my Milk Hydro Grip Primer along with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty. So for foundation, I'm about to be taking 3 foundations, and 2 of them are the same foundation, just different colors. So I have the Loreal Infallible in the shade Hazelnut, and then the shade Sienna, which I'm just going to be adding the tiniest bit of Sienna just to deepen this one up. And then I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and this is in the shade 385. For concealer, I'm about to go into the Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is in the shade 260. So now I'm about to go in with my Beauty Bakery Flour Powder, and this is in the shade Cassava or Yellow. So now I'm about to go into my MAC Studio Fix powder just to set the rest of my face. So now I'm about to go ahead and contour and bronze, and for contour I'm about to go into my Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and this is in the dark to deep one. And then I'm gonna be taking this Black Radiance pressed powder, and this is in the shade Creamy Beige. So yeah, and to cut my contour this time I'm gonna be taking my MAC Studio Fix powder, and then to like bake under my eyes and on my chin and forehead I'm gonna be taking my Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Butter. This nose is snatched, period. Can I even breathe? Can I breathe? Like, this looks so freaking good. My face makeup looks bomb. So now I'm about to go into my Juvias Place, and this is the Volume 2 Blush Palette. And I'm about to take this shade right here called Aina. And then for a highlighter, I'm going to take the Beautiful Goddess Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Royalty, along with the highlighter out of the Glowing in Grease palette. I'm going to take the middle one because I thought about going in with this blush, but I want the blush to be actually pink and not orange. But this highlighter right here is like really pretty, so I'm gonna take that on top of the Beautiful Goddess Cosmetics just to give my face like a really like pinky glow. So now I'm about to go ahead and take my Sweet Grace setting spray just before I go in with highlighter, just so like everything is melted down and the highlighters just pop more. So my lower lash line, I'm actually about to brush a tiny bit of the Plouise base down there because I'm about to be taking these pigments, and this is it's like a darker pink, but it's more so red and then a lighter pink, and these are neon. I'm gonna be taking those on my lower lash line, so I want them to actually stick, so that's why I'm going to be dusting a little bit of Plouise base. And then before I actually take this, I'm going to take the shade Credit, which I used in my crease, and I'm also going to take the shade Supreme, which I also used in my crease. But yeah, I'm about to just dust a little bit on with a fluffy brush, so yeah. I'm about to be going into these are in the Style Center, and these are from the Billi Boutique Lash Book, and it's from the Holy Lash Book. So yeah. So I just bought the Anastasia Undressed like new holiday set, and y'all, when I tell y'all that these liquid lipsticks are so freaking pretty, y'all thought that I was using Stripped a lot. Y'all ain't even see these yet, but I don't know which one I want to go into. I was thinking about this one because it will bring out like the green in my eyes, but then again, I do have a lot of pink and I want it to look pink and not orange. So I was thinking about going in with this one right here since it is more like neutral and muted, but I'm gonna go in with this one first, which is the shade Sand, and then I'll see like where I want to tweak it or whatever with a different color. So the two lip liners that I'm about to go in with is ColourPop BFF4 as always, and then I'm gonna also take my NYX lip liner in the shade Nutmeg because I want it to look a little bit more warm than BFF4. So yeah. So I'm about to take the tiniest bit of this Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Peachy. Just a little bit in the center. So this is the final look, and I'm really happy at the way it came out. Like, I think it looks so freaking cute, especially my little scrunchies to match the eyes. Like, I got 2 different colors. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below some more videos you would like me to do. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you want to be a part of the winning team and be a real MVP, period. Like, if you made it to the end of the video, you only halfway there. But if you subscribe, you a full real MVP. So yeah, with all that being said, make sure you follow me on my social medias. I'll link them in the description box, because if I'm not on YouTube, you can stay up to date with me on my social medias, because I post makeup looks consistently on social media more than I do YouTube, because YouTube is just very time consuming. Like, it's easy to sit down and film a video, because I was probably going to do my makeup anyway, but editing actually takes a really long time. But the videos is coming. Like, I know this Valentine's Day look is going to be out after the day of Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is today actually, and this is my 3rd video that I need to edit. So with all that being said, you already know what your girl is about to say. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP, period. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.